Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down CI/CD. It's an important idea in DevOps. So, what is CI/CD? Continuous integration and delivery automates building, testing, and deploying code changes. It's one of the core ideas in DevOps. Here are the key things to know about CI/CD. First, CI, every commit triggers automated build plus unit integration tests. Also, CD extends CI to produce production-ready artifacts, continuous delivery. Another key point, continuous deployment, automatically deploys every passing change to production. On top of that, reduces risk through small, frequent, reversible changes. Finally, enables fast feedback loops critical for DevOps velocity. And that's CI/CD in simple terms. Come back for another DevOps concept tomorrow.